What is dispersion of light? When the white light, that can be from the sunlight or the bulb light, when the white light passes through a glass prism, in this case you can see a triangular prism in the middle of it. So when the sunlight it passes through the glass prism, its constituent colors, because we know that white light is made up of different colors, that is with gear. So it is saying that dispersion of the light is when the white light is passing through a glass prism, its constituent colors travel with different speeds. You can see that all the lights that is coming out from the white light, they are bending with different wavelengths. So we can see that the red light that is bending less, while the violet light is bending more. So what is the reason of this bending is that when it passes through the triangular prism, it travels with the different speeds in the prism, and this causes the dispersion of light. So this collectively, the color of different colors, they are known as spectrum. And it consists of different colors, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. And you have to write their names from down to up. Now move to the question, and it says that Anne shines a ray of white light at a glass prism. You can see that a girl that is holding a torch, and there is a prism in between. And there is a screen where she can see that what happened with the light when it passes through this prism. So Anne shines a ray of white light at a glass prism, and tick one box in each row to show if each sentence is true or false. So you just have to read it and tell that this statement, the given statement, is true or false. The light reflects as it enters the prism. Okay, so that means that when the light passes through that prism, just when it just enters, it bends, because refraction means the bending of light. So it bends, yes, it bends when it enters into the prism, then it passes through the prism. If when it enters, it just reflects, it changes its direction, it bends. So this statement is right. The light reflects as it travels through the prism. Okay, so this means that when the light is passing through a prism, that means that it is refracting, and that keeps on refracting. So I don't think so that this statement is right, because once it enters, it touches the surface of that prism, it just refracts, and it moves with the same speed once it refracts. So this statement is wrong, so I'm thinking that is false. The light disperses as it leaves the prism. Okay, so that means that when it refracts and when it comes out from the prism, it actually disperses into the different colors, which we have seen already. So yes, this phenomenon is called dispersion of light. So yes, this statement is right. The light forms a spectrum of color on the screen. Okay, so we know that already, that when it disperses into different colors, when it disperses, it shows you into the different colors. So different colors are formed, a spectrum is formed, so this statement is also right.